BRC Boards is proud to present the Punisher board for Puff Puff. So I got the air pocket there, a little bit of an air bubble there. So what I'm going to do is sand it off. I'm going to put BRC boards over the top of it. So we're almost getting done with it. This will be the bottom. So top, we're going to figure out what to do with that as far as grip tape or what we're going to do. This has been one of the most rewarding projects I've ever worked on. Everything from the start to the finish, I've never had anything turn out as well as this thing has. From trying new things to doing new things, it's been awesome. Alright, so instead of putting grip tape on, I put a thin layer of epoxy and put some sand on there. And I couldn't be more happy with the result. Let's see, it feels just like grip tape. So we'll see how it holds up. Please like and subscribe and give me some ideas on what future boards I should make.